Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Aiman Ibrahim. So today I would like to start our group demonstration, which is about Lab 3, which is related to the services in the Linux. So at first, I would like to make a demonstration about how to start and stop manually the services, and also how to enable and disable the services, which is related to the booting system. So also I will show the status that will take effect to the services when we make changes in their start or stop and also enable and disable the services. So let's enter the root terminal and enter the root password. So at first we want to list all the services that is available or running in the Linux system. So I think we need to sudo systemctl list unit files type, which is we want the service. So it will list out the services with the state and preset of the services. So, but if you want to make detail about the services itself, so there's another command which is systemctl list dash unit dash start, the same command, but we put all in the end of the command. So as we can see that we can see another column of the table, which is we have load, active, sub, and also the description of the services. So from this table, we need to choose one services to make a demonstration of how we can stop and start, and also enable and disable the services. So in this case, I would like to use color these services for a demonstration. So just Control C. So systemctl status of the color p.service. So as you can see that it is active and running. So what if we stop the services by using the same command, but we put the stop command and stop in the middle of the command. So after we have run the stop command, we need to check the status of the service. So as you can see that the status of the services is inactive or dead. So how to start it again? We need to just start the services and check the status. So it will running back when we start the services again. So that is for how to start and stop the services manually. So for the enable and disable, this is the purpose of when we want to the service start when we are booting in the Linux system, when we are entering the Linux system. I will use the accounts daemon dot service. Okay, so accounts daemon dot service. So need to check the status first. So as you can see that the service is enabled and also the preset is enabled. which we can disable it also. So we have disabled the service, and also we can take a look at the status of the service. So as you can see that it is disabled. So when we are booting in the Linux system, this service accounts daemon.service will not be running when we are booting in the Linux system. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Faisal Rizal. I will cover the importance of daemon in Linux distribution for system admin. So in Linux, daemons are specific programs or process that start with the system boots and run in the background. So what do they perform? So they perform various functions such as handling scheduled tasks, managing hardware, overseeing the network. So daemon is located in this directory etc, c.p and init.p. So similar with the system details. So um, demos managed with startup scripts actually for the program when they start and when they want to stop. Right. So I will cover a few demos here. So start with the LP watch FTPD, Transfer Protocol demos and from. So what is the LP watch? So ARP Watch purposely designed to monitor changes in the network by tracking address resolution protocol, the ARP activity. So every time a device connects to the network, so ARP Watch logs the IP address and its corresponding MAC address. So if the IP address or MAC address of a device changes, the ARP Watch notes this change. So this is the ARP Watch is important and crucial for network security. By logging a new and modified device connections, so it will help the network admin to detect unauthorized devices or potential spoofing attack, where a malicious device tries to impersonate another by using the same IP or the same address. Alright, so I will show you a simple explanation about ARP Watch. So first we need to install the ARP Watch. ARP Watch. I already installed the ARP Watch, so here we go. Because I already have that. So here you need to start the ARP Watch. So using this command, systemctl, systemctl, to start ARP Watch, and then to check if it is start or not. Replace to start with status. Alright, so the active status is active. So alright, because I'm not enabled yet the ARP Watch code. So this is optional. We can just enable the ARP Watch code. System. Alright, so executing in user library already. So how can we see the output? So this actually we just start the ARP Watch program. So it will run in the background. We can't see the progress or the process, but we can see the output. So to see the output, we should ctl -u for option and to the output one. Alright, so November 15th, which is today at 11:12. So this is me. I am the support video. Step 1. Starting LP Watch service. I just start them. And then finish LP Watch service. So after start, they automatically read the log system for the network. So finish immediately. Alright, so this is how the output of the ARP works. Alright, next I will cover about the FTPD. Alright, so FTPD. So FTPD is a file transfer protocol. FTPD, file transfer protocol daemon. So FTP, so this is allowing users to transfer files between the server and other system of a network. So FTPD listens for incoming FTP connection requests and manage file uploads and downloads. So when user connect to the FTP server, so FTPD authenticates them and provide the access to that file or the directories. So user can then upload or download the files depends on their permissions. So this is the example. Alright, so sudo system, but this time we need to start the FTP first. Right. So to check that, replace the start status. So it is running, and I want to enable this program in my book. So enable the FTP. Sorry. Alright. So already here. So how can we try this FTP protocol? Protocol. Simple. We just use the localhost FTP localhost. By the way, I already have a second user which named Boomer. So in my Zini server, okay, this is my environment. So name Boomer, password. My password is always default Kylie. So login successfully to 230. So here we can state that ls. So this internet extension. This is the output of FTP. So the FTP will read over all of them. Internet extension mode, directory stream. So this one, okay, directory send octave. So send octave is when we already set up login and use the FTP protocol. Right, move to the next, which is we have cron. So what is actually cron? Cron is daemon package, one of the daemon package that manage to schedule the task on a Linux system. So the cron is allow users and admin to set up a recurring job to run commands or script at a specific time or interval. So that means we can do the script, and run them for what time we want. So alright, so this is the example. First, as always, we need to install them. Since I already installed the cron, we skip that page. So help start first. Start the cron. Well, to check the cron is active right now. Status. So it is active, and I already enabled them. So alright, how to create the script so that they can easily and automatically run at the time that we want. So it's easy. Alright. Remove just use this command protect that is. So I will choose the I don't like using Vim, so just one. Alright, so here we can play around to call it to make our script. Alright, so example echo So and then set our root. So this root for directory, choose it wisely, and then once you are already set, okay, I don't want to set them. Alright, next. So if you already do the script, it will run, right? It will run automatically with the message that you want to deliver at the time you already set. Alright, that's a simple demonstration for ARP1, PPT, and Thank you.